didn't see you there. Welcome. My name is Lukas Hoffman. Today, I'd like to share with you the vast glory of our universe. It's come to my attention that there are several misconceptions about the size and scale of the universe. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to invite you in to discover the glory of the universe as it really is.
What is a light year?
You know what light year is.
I have no
That's how it's gonna start. Alright. So,
Go ahead. So, what is a light year?
it's the amount of time it takes for a photon to travel.
What is a light year?
What is a light year?
A light year? Is it? It's a lot of meters.
Is a light year?
What is a light year? Isn't it 3 times 10 to the 8 something percent?
If the sun were the size of a grapefruit, how close would the nearest star be?
A banana? I don't know.
That's isn't it like a football field away?
Size of a grapefruit, how close would the nearest star be?
It would be 5 feet in ant size.
I would say 17 grapes away from the fruit.
That's a fair answer. If the sun were the size of a grapefruit, how close would the nearest star be? If the sun were the size of a grapefruit, how far would the nearest star be?
86,000 light years away.
No. So how big is the universe?
Big.
I assume.
Come on, Toby.
Is it 10 to the... I forget.
How big is the universe?
Massive. Massive.
Massive. Going with the fruit, I would say probably 20 watermelons.
I was gonna say watermelons.
Yeah,
20.
watermelon. 20 watermelons.
In a circle.
Yeah, the perimeter.
Oh, that's a good question. 2.6 billion light years across.
A light year is a unit of distance, not a unit of time or a unit of speed. Similar to traveling 60 miles an hour in a car, whereas if you travel 1 mile in 1 minute, you travel 60 miles in an hour. It's kind of like the speed of light, where if you travel 3 million kilometers a second, you'll travel 1 light year in 1 year. All wavelengths of light travel at a constant speed in a vacuum, which is most of space. So to summarize again, light is a unit of distance, not a unit of speed, and not a unit of time, and it's definitely not that awesome toy we played with as kids.
So, now that we've cleared up what a light year is, what does our cosmic address mean? Just as we would use a street address to determine where we are on a given street, within a given town, within a given state, in a country, we use a similar method in astronomy to determine where we are in the universe. The Earth is the third of 8 planets orbiting our sun, which is just one star of millions in our galaxy. Our solar system is on the arm of the Milky Way, which is one galaxy in the local supercluster. The nearest galaxy is 2.5 million light years away. Our local cluster is but one of many in the local supercluster, which is still only a small piece of the universe.
Another concept is look-back time, which is simply the idea that light from an object 1 billion years away would take 1 billion years to reach Earth. So you can think about it as when you look at a distant object, you're actually looking back in time. Hypothetically, the universe is larger than 13.7 billion light years. It's just that the universe is not old enough for the light to have reached us yet. As Carl Sagan once said, we find that we live on an insignificant planet of a humdrum star lost in a galaxy, tucked away in some forgotten corner of a universe where there are far more galaxies than people.